One moment the world was normal. And then millions vanished. No goodbyes, no signs, no second chances. There was chaos, destruction, and no one knew what was coming next. Until...
This was not judgment. It was transformation. Together, we will rise from the ashes. One people. No more division. No more chaos. Only unity under me.
The chaos stopped. The world healed. For the first time, it felt like peace. We called it progress. We called it unity. We adored him. It all seemed perfect. But then, the mark came. Peace turned to pressure. Worship became law.
No more waiting. I am your god now.
They watched us. Every move, every breath. And those who still believed. The ones who wouldn't bow. They became the hunted. Then I saw them. The two, and I knew this wasn't evolution. They were taken because they were ready.
He laughed when they warned him. Jesus is coming back? Sure, maybe in 1,000 years. He chased money, fame, pleasure, church. He stopped going years ago. Repentance? He thought there'd always be time, until one night the ground shook, the sky split open, a deafening trumpet blast echoed across the earth. Everyone looked up, and he was there, riding on clouds, eyes like fire, a sword from his mouth, and armies of heaven behind him. The proud fell, the wicked ran. But there was nowhere to hide. He screamed, "Wait!" I wasn't ready, but it was too late. Because when the king returns, he doesn't come to offer mercy. He comes to judge. Every knee will bow. Every tongue will confess. Are you ready?